honestly, the idea was kind of a fluke. I always knew that I wanted to be in the music industry. I knew I wanted to be in the food industry. Kind of grew up around that. And living in Provo, I always knew there was kind of an outlet that needed a little bit more entertainment. And that's where I started, is Provo. And then as I started that and it went for a couple of years, I always thought, the other market that would be really good is Rexburg. A lot of bands that are touring through, coming from Salt Lake to Colorado. We get a lot of bands from Provo and Salt Lake area. We do get some local bands. I love helping the local scene in whatever city I'm in, whether it be Provo or Salt Lake or Rexburg here. I really believe having a stage and holding concerts and bringing in bands, I'm able to facilitate, talented musicians to come together and create a band of their own.
Hi, thanks everybody. We're called Ice Hotel. We're from Provo.
Steve and I are cousins, and we've known each other our whole lives. We've always played music together, and we've just met everybody else. This is my wife, Nicole. Carly is an actress, and she and Nicole know each other from school. I know Val from just playing music around Provo, and Matt as well plays with other musicians that we know.
Just getting connected through the local scene down in Provo. Mike and I have been a band since we were 5. The name and the music and the quality has changed kind of constantly during that period of time.
For better or worse?
Maybe both. I don't know.
It goes up and down.
Up and down, comes in waves.
Thank you guys for the Opskamatrists. You guys are awesome. This is Jay Partner. My brother Chad, Chicken Bones. Of course, the old standby. We got Mark Wilson on the bass. Better can it get?
When we're energetic up on stage, it translates into our crowd, and when our crowd is energetic, it translates to our energy as well on stage. It's like a
Probably our favorite, I think, at least in my opinion, our favorite place to play is Sammy because of the crowd. Good crowd. We like the stage. It's a good size of the stage. We feel comfortable up on it.
But it's close to the audience.
Yeah, it's close to the audience. The audience can get right up in our faces.
We just like to do fun things that interact with the crowd. And that creates more of a bond between us and them, so they feel like they're, part of us. Yeah.
Once again, to reiterate, if I can allow people to do that and to inspire others, I love that I can have an outlet for that, you know what I mean? Because I know I've been in this very room and listened to musicians and been inspired and felt something and gotten excited about something or was excited that a memory was just created, that will never be forgotten.
1, 2, 3, 4. National Parks from Provo, and we're going to play some songs for you guys. We come from Provo, Utah. Sydney and I started playing together a couple years ago, and then we decided to actually kind of get serious about it, and so we formed the National Parks. And we were lucky enough to
along the way.
Find Paige along that journey.
Yeah, it's been great. I've had music in my life since I was very young, and it's always been something that has enhanced my life greatly. And I think when we play together, it's a unifying thing for us, not only as friends, but just as we all have had that love for music, the way that it can just bring us together and other people too.
It's a special feeling when you're playing music, and it is very spiritual, and we feel strongly about that.
It's a great location.
A good age group too. You know, we have the college here, so there's a lot of students.
It's fun.
It's a fun venue, you know. It's got a lot of personality.
Sammy's is one of those places that, you know, it's just great. There's always something good that Sammy's offers, whether it's the crowd or you just come and play and then get a burger and a shake. It's just, it's a good place to be.
Yeah, it's a really welcoming environment. It's a really accepting crowd.
You know, live your dreams, and I know that's cliche, and a lot of people see that, but you know, find what drives you. Find what makes you want to get up in the morning. Find what makes you click, you know, and tick, and do it. Figure it out. Come collaborate. Come to Sammy's and play. It's a great setting. We'll get people there. We'll promote you, you know, and you know, come make some memories.